Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix TikTok not eligible for you feed. The first way to fix the problem is by if you're uploaded a video on TikTok and you'll find that it's not showing up on the for you feed. So the very first thing that you should do is by making sure that there's no copyrighted material in your video. So if there is, you'll need to delete it or upload another original content. Now, the second way to fix the problem is by first opening up your TikTok application and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Here in your profile page, tap on the drop down menu at the top right hand corner. Once you tap on that, as you can see the menu, tap on settings and privacy at the bottom. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down until you find the report a problem option. Once you tap on this one, then you will now be taken into this page as you can see. And here you just need to select account and profile. So once you tap on account and profile, select profile page right over here. And then here on profile page, tap on other right here at the very bottom. Now you'll be taken into this page, so scroll down a bit and select need more help right here at the bottom. And then you will now go to TikTok help desk. So from here, you can tell TikTok help desk that your video is original and doesn't have any copyrighted content. Or you can basically attach screenshots to show the issue. And then once done, click on the send button at the bottom right, and you'll need to wait for help desk to reply your message and basically giving you instruction on how you can fix the problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.